Hey everyone, so I made it into Big Lot. So we have Axe here. You get anti-sweat, the wash, and like a body spray. These are 10. Suave Kids are $5, so that is even good. You don't have to gift it for Christmas. That's a good one. 3-in-1 shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and detangler spray. Dove for yourself. Let's see, body wash, deodorant, and dry shampoo, and a loofah. This one's 10 as well. It looks like you get a loofah, exfoliating like body polish, and a deep moisturizer. And $10 for Caress. Oh, not bad. 2 bars, 2 and a loofah. Freeman here is 5, same as Five Below, $5. On this one you get the little brush too, the silicone. Dr. Teal's only $3. Dove on top for men. Okay, deodorant, body and face wash. These are all 10, no matter what size. They're all 10 here, which is a really, really good price, I think. I mean, come on, your teenager looks swagger. Look at that, $10. Can't beat that. They need it. They need it now. Put it in their bathroom. Yeah, everything's 10. Well, $18.50. This is True Religion. It looks like lotion, body cream. What is this one? This is Kim Kardashian. Oh, this is not True Religion. I saw True Reflection. Okay, Kim Kardashian. Polos, $18.50. Michael Jordan on top. You will get 6 in here, $5.95. $5.95. 5. Relaxing like foot spa. Be your own kind of beautiful and flawless. These are 5, so same price and Five Below. You're needing some eyeshadow brushes or to paint with, $3. LA Colors, $3. You know what? LA Colors, many years ago, not sure how long, kind of like in the beginning of my channel, they sent me a package which was really cool, and I didn't share it. I actually don't wear a lot of makeup, so I didn't know what to do with it. I had like eyeshadow, lipsticks, nail polish. I kind of like split it up, for coworkers, and I did that. $5 here. Let's see, I have an issue with not sharing what companies send. Well, I didn't know they were going to send me one. I just found it in the P.O. box. So I think that's kind of cool when they do that, because it shows that, hey, I recognize you, and I think it's cool. $2 here. And more LA Colors, $5. You know what? I really need to hit up the Dollar General. The Dollar General normally has a lot of good makeup gift sets. But the only one I know that's really good is like an hour away. You know how we all have that one store that's like really good, but it's so far away. Okay, that's all I found in there. Let's see, Broyhill, these are 10, the Velvet Throw. Oh, that blue one is actually quite nice. For $10, not bad. It doesn't say the size. My pink, a doggy one, and a red truck. And this print, which I do like. I like this print. Here's Flameless LED candle set. Kind of looks frosted. They're only 15. I feel like all of these might be 15. Have a little birch one. It's 9. Oh, look at the trees. Oh, they're pine cones. They look like trees. They're 15. These are really nice too. And they do come with the remote. Looks like some cranberries in this one. There is one tree. Now this one's really cool because it's like a candy cane. For $7, there's candy canes on the inside. That's really neat. They also have the larger one. Let me grab it. I like that. See, these are going to be priced different. These are $24. cloud pillows are 15. Look at Stitch, Batman, and a Minnie, Mando, Minnie, and Stitch. How much are you? These are 15. Cozy, $18. And 20 reversible. Faux throw. They're actually quite nice. $10 little cookie jar on the truck. They have Santa, you guys. Look at him. He's like, hey, put some cookies in me, and a nutcracker, and a doggy. So I found this air fryer. You could put a pizza in there. Has anybody tried that? This one's $49.95.
An 11-inch pizza.
$35 for faux fur. Faux fur in pink. They also have gray. And more Broyhill. These are going to be 15. Only 8 for a rolling pin. A silicone baking mats are 8. And your cookie gun is 8 as well. If you need mixing bowls, 10, and you will get 3. Normally, Big Lots has really nice baking stuff. Hopefully, we could find them. Nice bakeware. They have funfetti. Do you know what? I feel like funfetti, the cupcake mix, I feel like they changed because they taste really different. They taste plain. Like, has anybody, you know, had that issue? Yeah. Look at this one. Cookie cups. $3.25. That's $2.50. Yeah, I can't believe oh, see, brownie mix is $1 here.
Dunkin' Donuts.
$2.50 for a Ghirardelli, and they have dark chocolate. Yola cake mix, only $4.50. And look at the cinnamon kit is $8.95. Garlic parmesan and like marinara kit is $8.95. That looks so yummy. These are $4.50.
These are nice. They don't break a sale in eating them.
Oh yeah. These are $4.95. Here's a little hot cocoa caddy. These are $12.99. You're stressing me out, crazy cat lady. Those are $6. Oh look. $13. That's different.
They have this again this year.
Oh, the grilling suitcase for $22. Tons of Swiss Miss in the back. Marshmallow peppermint, milk chocolate. These are $6. So these are $1 cheaper and $5 below. Oh, if you want to make a large gummy bear or jello, $7. Let's see. These are $12. They have s'mores or Hershey's and Kit Kat. I don't think I ever seen a Kit Kat one. How much is the Elf? Okay, Elf is $5 here. Same price as $5 below. And $11. Muffin mix. Cutting board and pot holder. They're $6. And Grateful, Thankful, Blessed. Sugar cookie mix and butter cookie mix. Those are $6 as well. Oh, look. It's funny. Oh gosh, you guys, they have Elvis. Little mini home Sour Patch, $6. Here's a little mini one. Candyland peanut. Oh, look, M&M. That's a new one. Chocolate spoons. We have dark chocolate for $2. Wonder if they really work.
Those are neat so they get all over your fingers.
Yeah. $10. Look at that big Hershey Kiss, right? Everybody used to give that out for Valentine's Day. What do these do? Oh, do they talk? Or they just... It's kind of funny. Oh, look at the Grinch. Grinch Hershey Kisses. Those are new. $2. The Perfect Man. That's funny. That is funny. Oh gosh. And everything here is just candy Here's a SpongeBob advent calendar. A lot of stocking stuff. Krabby Patties. Peppermint bark. Maybe you could put that in your hot cocoa, right? $1.50. Candy poopers. You know they're gonna poop.
There's chocolate dogs.
Those are funny. They have a gingerbread one. And a little reindeer. Oh, and chocolate dogs. Oh, those are Palmer. Oh, these are kind of cute. $4 on the tags. They do have a farmhouse style if you're feeling that. Gift card holders, $3.50. This is really cute. This one's nice too. You get 16 for $4. These are 23. If you remember, my Big Lots is pricing them differently, so they run around the store and put new price tags. So these were never $23. My mind is blown. I think it might be only my store. Let's see, these are 12. I can't see the price. It looked like it might have been 10 or something. You have the tree. Oh gosh, is this a snowman? I have him hiding. He's hiding in my house. Hello, snowman. Yeah, he's gonna repeat everything you say. Yeah. Oh my god. Like, totally. Okay.
He's like, I'm not that much of a redhead. I don't say totally.
Look, okay, shut that off. Oh my gosh. They have a penguin. Say something to the penguin.
They're just gonna repeat each other now.
Well, he's new. 12.
I think this one
Raving Santa. We see him all the time. Oh my gosh. Be quiet. There we go. Go, Santa, go. This thing I can't stand. I can't stand it. No. And you guys know the elf. You know what he's gonna do. I have several videos on it. That's like the weirdest thing ever. It's just like weird. You know what they don't have? They don't have the twerking Santa or the snowman.
I know.
Because normally they have the twerking Santa and snowman. But look, you guys. Adorable.
That looks like the one from Christmas at the Cranks almost.
This one?
Oh,
$10.
Not exactly, but it looks kind of like it.
And they have the Nutcracker.
That is not a Christmas song.
Oh, here's Mr. Christmas. This one's $35. A few stockings are $5, like snowman, a reindeer. Tree skirts are $18. Okay, these are $18 over here, kind of like a felt one, $14. I hate that they're changing the prices. Kind of makes me mad. Look at this one. If you have a little mini one full of glitter. Christmas at the farm. These are $16. And tons of napkins. And behind me, let's see, a few villages. Very similar to Walmart, right? Like, can you believe these are $6? Okay, what's the real price?
It's gonna be cheaper.
It looks like 14. So they all went up like $2. Yeah. Oh yeah. Cheaper at Walmart, you guys. They have the popcorn. Is this one doing anything? Oh, that's kind of cool. There's a snowman one. He's upside down. Oh, so bright. So bright. Go, children, go. Go, children, go. Look at this one. Oh, the try me button is gone. Now this one is 20. Oh, they took the try me button out. That's kind of cool. Doesn't work. $23. And these are 30. Even the tree, and they do have the truck. $12. Very glammy deer. A lot of glammy stuff. Look at this. Noel. It's gonna light up. These are 15. These are 18. I can't believe this glass tree is 26, you guys. It was 24, but these are cheaper in Home Goods, and they're really, really nice over there. 28. I don't think we've seen these. Baby, it's cold outside. Well, this one. There's no place like home. These are 4, like the frosted. They have a tree in the back. And it looks like some garland and a tree skirt. I like this Santa. I don't know why. He looks like a little bowling pin. And then we have our snowman. Looks like they're 8. I hope they're both 8. Yeah. It's cute. And don't forget about your dog. Alright, you guys. I'm going to have to end the video here. Here's a snowman cookie jar. It's a new mug we haven't seen yet. Let's see. $5 for the deer. They have your doggy. Oh, so merry. That's kind of cute. Snowman. Salt and pepper shakers are $5. Dear Santa, I've been very good, but just in case, can I bribe you with a cookie? I did do a walkthrough before. I'll probably link that at the end. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. These are kind of cool. Cinnamon berry. They're 12.